an afternoon night adventure. So excited. We're gonna go to the markets, eat at the Hello Kitty Cafe, and have so much fun.
He's in Hong Kong obviously, and he's tailing someone. She gets in a green Rolls Royce. He follows the green Rolls Royce and ends up at the Peninsula Hotel, which has a fleet of green Rolls Royces.
It still does today.
And still does to this day. And then he goes in, sneaks into her room, and fun ensues. There it is, the Peninsula Hotel. Let's go take a look. Loads of random people chilling out on blankets.
Picnicking, yeah. It looks fun though. It is bustling on this Saturday. Very exciting. This is one of my favorite places that Nicole took me the first time that I came to Hong Kong. So Nicole, wish you were here with us, so we'll see you soon. A lot of this area definitely has that Times Square feeling where people are offering us fake watches and hashish and all kinds of stuff. And I think we really stand out because we're tall white people. So yeah, we look like tourists. So both of us are sweaty and hangry, but we made it to something that I've been looking forward to, the Hello Kitty Cafe. How cute is this? Almost too cute to eat, but it's delicious. So good. Dim sum at Hello Kitty was delish. I definitely recommend all the really cute buns and dumplings. The rest of the food was fine, but nothing to write home about. So now we're just getting to the harbor in Kowloon to look at the Hong Kong skyline, which is amazing. It's a really clear night, so we really lucked out. Check it out. There you go. What do you think of the skyline?
I think it's absolutely wonderful.
Is this your favorite part of the day?
No, my favorite part of the day would be the not the landmark hotel. What's it called?
The Peninsula
Hotel.
Oh, the James Bond location. Yes. Second best?
Yes. Yeah, I must be honest, the hustle and bustle of Kowloon gets old very quickly.
Yeah.
We were offered watches and handbags every 5 places.
Every corner.
About 100 times. And that takes its toll, doesn't it? Over the
It
course
does,
of the day.
it does.
But, you know, it's fun.
Look where we are.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have a glass of wine at a little neighborhood bar and call it a night. And this is the Space Museum behind me. And one last shot of the peninsula. There it is. And we are walking to the MTR.